Hello guys, this is Sovik and in this video I will show you how simple is to create an Android application within a minute. In this way you can convert any website into APK format. If you didn't know what is APK, then let me describe. APK is the extension of an Android application. If you download any application from third-party website, you can see the file name with .apk at the end. So if you have a Facebook fan page or a fan-based website, this video will help you a lot. You can easily convert your website into application and give that to your followers. But before I start the video, if you press the subscribe button, it will help me to grow on YouTube. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, this is my photography page on Instagram. You will get some awesome snaps here. And the most cool thing is, all the images are clicked for mobile. Link is as usual in the description box, so go and check that out. Let's convert this page into an APK. First, copy the URL of the website which you want to convert. Then go to Google and search for Web to APK. Then click on the first link. Now paste the URL at the URL section, type the name of your APK and upload the icon of your application. And remember, the image must be a PNG image. Now click on Show Advanced Settings and change the screen orientation from portrait to vertical. You can also edit your welcome and exit message. In my case, I like to keep it default. Now erase Google from Offsite Link section and click on Create My App. It will take 2 to 3 seconds to create your APK. After that, you will get the download link at the bottom of this page. Click on that and it will start downloading. In my case, it's just 172 KB. Really? So let me install the application into my Android and show it to you. So now you may understand how simple it is to make an Android application within a minute. It is as simple as to click on the like and the red subscribe button. You should definitely go for that. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's it for today. I'm Sovik and I'll see you in the next one.